So this has been a long-awaited release. I'm just so happy with it, and I'm going to start with just a little slideshow, which is going to show you the 6 stamps, okay, and a few of my samples that I've done, and a little video. And then we will go down to the desktop and I'll go through some samples and explain a bit more about it. Before I go into the slideshow, I'm just going to explain something. So the set's called Imagination. They are children. If you think imagination, a lot of them have got wings, nearly all of them have got wings, which I've been asked for such a long time. But you can take this as children using their imagination and dressing up and playing, or you can take them as fairies. Completely up to you. So this stamp is called Imagination. You've got the little boy dressed up as a cowboy, which is something my parents used to go mad at me because I wouldn't go to bed without my cowboy hat when I was a kid. I love cowboy films. The sentiment is imagination takes us everywhere. These are red rubber, very deeply etched, and I'm going to show you when we go down to the desktop. You can see just how deeply etched they are. So they're holding hands, looking into each other's face. Now, I've never been able to get, I've got so much detail in these. If you just look at the stitching in the cowboy boots, if you're watching on a phone, you might have to just zoom in. Fine stitching on the cowboy boots. Look at the denim on his little dungarees. He's got short dungarees on. Look at the detail on the hair. I'm just so happy that we've got to this stage with the stamps now where I can get this much detail into them. So that's Imagination. Bear with me because I'm trying to work out how I go to the next one. There we go. Stamp number 1. So that's kind of the signature stamp, Imagination. We go to the next one. So this is Dance, and it's Dance Like Nobody's Watching. I love this one. I use her. I just can't stop using her. I'll show you a little. She's on my candle. I've kind of brought in the drips on this one, which I do a lot in my artwork. She's just so versatile, honestly. Just every time I get to do something, I think, oh, I'll use the dance one. I end up trying to use something different because I'm using it so much. I think this one. So I have a granddaughter called Eden, and she's sassy. She's got attitude. And I thought it would be really cool to do a child dressed up as a fairy, or she could be a fairy, with that attitude face, her arms crossed. She's got Dr. Martens, or Doc Martens, I'm told I've got to call them, Doc Marten boots on. And the sentiment comes in 2 parts. So you've got happy birthday in one stamp, and then now get over yourself and let's eat cake in the other stamp. So this is Princess Attitude. Again, just look at the detail. Look at the detail in the hair. I promise you, it took ages. Each fine hair was drawn. But it's kind of, I mean, it doesn't have to be a birthday card, but as a birthday card, it's different, isn't it? And it's got a little bit of cheekiness to it. And I just love her face. She's got such attitude in her face. So she's got like a sweatshirt, or it could be a shirt tied around her waist, and her wings. We will show you some of the samples that we've done as well on this. So that's 3. That's the 3rd, wasn't it? Let's go to the next one. I don't know what it is. It's all random for me. This is Thinking of You. Okay, and she's kind of in, I can't remember what the yoga position's called, but it's a yoga position. Sat on a mushroom. It paints lovely, and I will show you some samples. Unfortunately, I've not got every sample. We're going to paper rolled next week. So some of the samples that my creative team have done have been sent out for the show. But I've got some here. Okay, next one. So I'm so pleased I'm getting such good feedback. I've just been just wanted to release these so much. I've been asked for the last, since I did the Tattered Angels, and I did the rice papers of the Tattered Angels, and people were asking me, and I just thought this is a nice in between the angels and with the wings and everything, and imagination with the children dressing up. Okay, next one. I think I'm in love with this next one as well. Yep. May all your wishes come true. She's just so cute. So they're all in tutus. A couple are in dresses, but the baby ones are in tutus. She's blowing the dandelion towards a butterfly that's flying towards her. Ballet shoes with little flowers on her shoes. The sentiment, may all your wishes come true. This one's shush. It's a secret. And she sat on a log there. She's got butterflies. She's got flowers in her hair. You can see a couple of butterflies are landed. The other butterflies are flying towards her. Let me just hold the stamps up to you. You can see the size of the stamps here, but can you see the depth we got on the rubber now? It's ridiculous depth. Okay. So as before, they're all cling mounted. And if I just open this pack here, the same packaging. So they come with the front packaging here with the slots in here, fits most ring binders, and then the stamps come on a piece of acetate. Okay, sentiments are separate. Yep, so we've got the Make-A-Wish, dance, the imagination, just the detail. Just look at those boots. Thinking of you. Princess Attitude. Shush is the secret. Okay, so the 6 stamps. We do supply these folders. Let me just pop that in there. So these folders are specially made to take the 6 stamps perfectly. Okay. So I will point out when some of these I've done videos already for, okay, tutorials for Cosmic Shimmer. This is one of them, but using the water-based inks. So this is Princess Attitude. So there she is. She makes a cool little birthday card. Can you see it in the how realistic the denim looks? The shading that I've got in the denim, the material, it just looks. And even you can't probably see it on this, but I can assure you it's there. So when I was a kid at school, you only got 2 colours of Dr. Martens. You got oxblood and you got black. I've done her in oxblood, and you got the little yellow stitching. You can see all the little yellow stitching. That's actually coloured on this one. So I've got all the little tiny bits of stitching around the soles. What we got next? Yeah, there she is. This is the dance that is very, very simple. It's just the water-based inks, and there's one of my distressed background stamps in the background on the dance one. You're going to see a lot of the dance ones. So this is another trick. Now, if you remember the last release, I did a thing called the drip technique. I've got a more advanced drip technique now. But the dance girl looks really good with the robot molds. Yes. Looks really good with the drip technique. And we're using colors that react really well with bleaching and that kind of thing. So that's the first drip one. She's got a little bit of petrol blue in her, this one. But then we've got a bit of a close-up. Have you seen this one? We've got a bit of pink. That's the candle that I just showed you, lit up. So that's just stamped on vellum with archival ink onto vellum and put around one of these digital LED candles. So this is the shush stamp, and I thought she'd be really good as a door plaque for a child's bedroom. My oldest granddaughter is called Faith. So she's just saying shush. I think I got a close-up of this. There you go, there's a close-up. Okay. Princess Attitude again. This is using like alcohol in the background with inks and things. So there you go. It's a bit of a clearer picture of her. I've done a video on this one. This is kind of using like a watercolor background, using the ink, but like a moving watercolor background. I've done a video on this one as well. So that will be coming out over the next few weeks. So we'll start releasing after we've released the stamps, and there'll be little tutorials. There's a bit of a closer look. You can see the stitching now in these boots. Yeah, the process that we're doing with the stamps is just unbelievable. As a tutorial on this is a brand new technique that I've come up with called the bleed technique. All will become in the video. When you see the video, it kind of all makes sense. Done a video on this, so there's a video on this one as well, this background. It doesn't have to be the colors that I've used, whatever colors you want. There's the thinking of you. So like I say, she's really lovely to paint, this one. Slightly different version of her. This is her using that drip method. But I've actually used pixie powders in this, as well as the water-based inks. And you can see sort of the bleach there in there as well. There's our little cutie. That's the bleed technique again. This is just really simple. It's the white acrylic technique that I did with the last release, where you stamp, you paint the white, then stamp on top, and then I've spattered with the Cosmic Shimmer flake glue, and then put the flakes in the background. Doesn't show up so well on a photograph, but when you turn it to the light, it really looks nice. That's her again. That's her again. She gets everywhere, doesn't she? Okay. Right, can I just pop through a few samples? We've kind of really seen the pictures of mine, so let me grab some of the design team's stuff. There we go. Okay. We got Fiona. This is actually, my camera's showing it with a slight blue tint, but it's very grey toned. This might be Sue's. Oh, it's a little journal, a little book. Quite bright, vivid colours on that, but then this is probably Sue's again. Yep, that's our Sue's, who's in New Zealand at the moment. I think these are the water-based inks. Yeah, water-based inks. I think this would be Mandy. So she's combined. So I've tried to get the stamps at a very similar size. It's very difficult when you're doing different age children, but some of them will really fit together. I know this is Mandy. Yep, it's Mandy Miller. Beautiful. This is Maz. I love this with the moon behind her. Really, and we got a bit of glitter in there, Maz. I'll forgive you. Maz again. So the same effect. She's in a bit neon. I think the colors of my camera, I adjusted them today, and I think they're making these colors a little bit brighter than they actually are. But she's cool. I love this. Look at that. I'm pretty sure that's Fiona. Yeah, created by Fiona. So Versifying Claire, Nocturne. They stamp beautifully. I do recommend with these stamps, put them into a stamping platform. They do stamp with a just with a block, okay. But because of the detail, well, you know the story. If you do it with a block and you miss a little bit of it somehow, you're never going to get back over the top of it. This is Sue with her I mean, you can use, you just think, when I was doing, I would think, well, they got to be delicate and they got to be delicate, but they don't have to be. Sue's using a real sort of grungy, dark background on this, and she stands out really well. There's Maz. Okay, I think I will just show you. That's the picture of the one that I've done. Yeah, I don't know what I've done my screen colors. It's a really unusual background on this. And on telly, I've kind of come up with a new, oops, they all just dropped down. This is one I'm working on. It's very rare you see me using shimmer, but I think I'm going to reveal this technique on the Hobby Maker show. Okay, well, thank you very much for joining me. I've got to go and do my my weekly shopping now. I didn't get time to do it because my microphones weren't working earlier, and I was in a bit of a state. But yeah, so if you get the chance, you can join me on catch up on Hobby Maker on Monday. I think it's 2 o'clock and 7 p.m. 2 p.m. 7 p.m. Stamps will be available on all the stockists Monday, the 2nd of February. And yeah, hope you enjoyed that. And you'll probably see, I'll be at Paper World for the show over there. So I'm going to try and do a lot of social media, a lot of video and that kind of thing. And hopefully, yeah, you'll see me a bit active. I've been a bit quiet the last kind of couple of months because of this, really, when you're doing this and you're designing, you're getting everything ready, and it takes a lot out of you. So I'll be around a bit more. Happy shopping. Thank you, Mandy. Thanks, Ali. Right, let me. All right, thanks very much, everybody. Bye-bye. Have a good evening.